How to turn on or off FaceTime vibration in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on notifications. Now scroll down and here you can see the option FaceTime. Now click on FaceTime and then click on sounds. On top you can see the option haptics. If you want to turn on your FaceTime vibration, then simply select any haptic. And if you want to turn off your FaceTime vibrations, then simply select none. So this is the way to turn on or off FaceTime vibration in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.